just came back and I haven't even had a chance to get back on the Discord. They don't even know that. This video is about a stock that is beating the S&P 500. Let me put it this way. You don't want to be the type of investor where you wake up every day and you do this and you turn around, you just keep doing that to, try to scare away bad vibes or bad luck so you can do your day trading. Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch, which is also called Bull Market Watch. I know, don't worry about it. You'll find out in a little bit what I mean by that if you follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and all of that stuff. If you want to know about all the stocks that are on the stock market and things that I consider a buy, personally speaking, for me, maybe there'll be good ideas for you, news, etc. Right? So that's why I say it's Bull Market Watch, because pretty much that's where the channel is headed for. With that being said, guys, for the past 2 days, I've had a great time, an amazing time. I'm super excited. In fact, I just came back and I haven't even had a chance to get back on the Discord. They don't even know that. I mean, I came back today. They'll know in a little. I'll be after this video. I'll be headed over on the Discord. Yeah, spearfishing, guys. Well, let me take that back. Forget spearfishing. First, I'm going to tell you what this video is about. This video is about a stock that is beating the S&P 500. So if you want to know how to beat the S&P 500, maybe you might want to know about this. I mean, this stock is killing it, and it's not even worth hundreds of dollars. This is a $26 stock, and the stock has a, personally speaking for me, $33 price target. How do you know? What if you're wrong? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I did call it a buy at 19 bucks to you guys on YouTube. It wasn't just on Discord, and it's at 26 now, and I still think it's going to go to 33. So you might want to know about it, right? So yeah, before I get to that stock, if anybody goes, spearfishing underwater, right? If you do spearfishing underwater, obviously you're not going to do it in land. Let me know. Where do you spearfish? What spear guns do you use? Equipment and all that stuff if you want. I mean, you don't have to share your private life, but I like to know, share ideas. I like that because I do spearfishing a lot. Here's a picture of an island that I've been spearfishing the past couple of days. Beautiful. You can walk this island, guys, within an hour. You've walked the entire island. There's nobody living on it. Nobody, nothing. It's just one big rock. There's just this little tiny church here that you can see. I didn't take this picture, by the way. It's not mine. I'm not taking credit for the picture. It's by Nikolaos Smalios who took the picture. But you can only get to this island by boat. And there's only this little church there. And that's it. In the middle of nowhere. Literally in the middle of nowhere. You see the stars at night clearly. The ocean is crystal clear. The water is beautiful. And spearfishing is fun there. It's awesome. All right, let's get to the stock, guys. I am super tired, to be honest, but I'm going to try to be, excited and happy because nobody wants to see someone tired. The stock in 2023, I called this stock on August 30th, 2023. I called the stock, take a symbol MFC, Manulife, right? If you heard of this company. MFC, I called it a buy at 1828, and then I made the dumbest mistake in the world to say that I'm going to sell it at 1953 on September 20th, 2023. What kind of long-term hold is that? Guys, even I make mistakes too. Right? That's not long term. That was a good company. It is a good company. And it's pretty stupid to have sold it that early. But I did keep a few shares, very little. I kept 10 shares, whatever. It's not going to make a difference. But it does make a difference over years. And what I mean by that, whenever you buy a great company that you think is just an awesome company, that, it pays a dividend. It has to pay a dividend, right? In order to do what I'm about to tell you. So if it's a great company, pays a great dividend, it went up, and if you're happy with the profit, go ahead, take your profit, but leave a few shares in the side. Put them on the side, 10 shares, nothing more, 5, 10 shares, just leave them there. Because over the years, if you do that with every great company that you eventually will sell for great profits, just leave 5 shares on the side. You'll accumulate a ton of shares in these great dividend paying companies or ETFs. And you know what? It's not bad. The past 1 year, just the past 12 months, guys, this stock is up 44.6 This is awesome. These are the stocks that you guys should be chasing. You know, like I understand we all gamble on the stock market, but gambling should be like, I don't know, under 10%, under 5% of your activity on the stock market, in my opinion, right? Don't make gambling the majority of what you do on the stock market. Let me put it this way. You don't want to be the type of investor where you wake up every day and you do this and you turn around, you just keep doing that to, you know, try to scare away bad vibes or bad luck so you can do your day trading like this guy. That's not the type of investor you want to be, right? So let's focus on Manulife. It's at 26.77, guys, but like I said, price target 33. So Manulife Financial Corporation, guys, together with its subsidiaries, provides financial products and services in the United States, Canada, Asia, and internationally. The company operates through wealth and asset management business, insurance, annuity products that they offer, which is very important for retirement, corporate, and other segments. So they have a wealth and asset management business. By the way, before I continue any further, just because I say the price target for me is 33 doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen. And just because I'm bullish on a stock doesn't mean that you should be also. Do your own due diligence, decide for yourself based on the investigation that you will do in a stock, right? Do your own homework, guys. I'm just sharing my opinion, right? So the company was founded in 1887, guys, has a strong presence in Asia, the United States, Europe. They've been increasing their earnings. What else can we say? They have 45% increase in performance over the last year on the stock market. That is driven primarily by huge growth in Asia, higher interest rates, which is benefiting. So higher for longer is actually good for MFC. It's been great. Robust share buyback program, which I'll show you in a video in a little bit, what the CEO has said about the stock, the buyback, and the outperformance coming up for the stock in the future, which is very important. And with projected 10 to 12% annual earnings growth, low valuation, this is a great company, in my opinion.
In recent months, you guys announced some reinsurance deals. You completed the largest long-term care reinsurance deal in history. This has freed up capital for share buybacks. What is the impact to earnings?
You know, you mentioned the two transactions we did. The one in December acted as a real catalyst for our share price. And we transacted with Global Atlantic, and we transacted on a $6 billion of long-term care reserves. Now, sure, that did reduce earnings a little bit, but what it did is it freed up capital by more and allowed us to buy back stock. And so our earnings per share actually went up and our core ROE went up as a result. So that's all in line with our strategy of getting to an 18% core ROE company.
All right, so we saw a little bit from what the CEO had to say. Let's look at some news lately. On June 27, 2024, Manulife Investment Management announces industrial outdoor storage venture with Foundry Commercial. So here we have Manulife Investment Management, where they have announced strategic partnership with Foundry Commercial to acquire, develop, and lease industrial outdoor storage sites in the southern part of the USA, like in Atlanta, Nashville, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, Jacksonville. All right, let's head to the financial part, and we're going to look at some key parts of the balance sheet. It's not, it's nothing. I'm not, putting anything complicated. I think I make it very easy for people to understand what's going on. So we're going to look at the 5-year outlook of the those key features. So revenue, guys, for MFC from 2019 to 2023. I know you see a sharp drop, and that might scare you. But guys, you got to consider that it was 2020 here, and the pandemic has, and just the pandemic, uneven economic outlook and how the economies have been functioning since then has changed a lot, right? So, but they are coming back in 2023. They are bouncing back. If we look at the cash and cash equivalents, guys, it's at $20.3 billion in cash. That's insane. That's a lot of cash, guys, right? That's awesome. That's great. So if we look at the net income, it's positive $4.8 billion for the year of 2023. If we look at the free cash flow, look at that, $20.4 billion in free cash flow. That is gorgeous. To say it the easy, I don't know, like the simplest way, I guess. Total debt is just $12.7 billion, which, like, the cash and cash equivalents, or if you want to look at the net income, whatever, they're higher than the total debt. Now, this stock does pay an amazing dividend, and this is, if you can make it a habit of adding as, dividend paying stocks, dividend paying ETFs, accumulating this stuff and through the years, you're going to thank yourself. The annual dividend for this is $1.23, which is pretty good, I think. Analysts for the next 12 months give it a price target of 33 low, an average of about 36, a high of 40. Any of those, or even 30 or 31, is achievable within the next 12 months. And that's that. I'm not going to, keep this going any longer. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I think this is an amazing stock. I did call it a buy at 18. I made the mistake of selling most of it at 19 something, which was pretty dumb. I should have just held it. I would have made even more with the dividends. So whatever, it is what it is, but I still think it has plenty of growth ahead. And I wish you guys all the best. Take care.